Okay, for testing purposes, because I didn't have a battery capable of running this unit yet, we want to see what she can do. I went ahead and designed a series plug between these batteries, so now I have two 8S batteries, which would make it two 4S batteries, which would make this 8S. So this thing is about 3,000 mAh right now, roughly 55, so a little over 3,100 mAh, 3,200 mAh, somewhere around there. So it's 8S, 3,200 mAh setup, 100C discharge. So let's turn this on. There we go, we got power. And let's see what this reads for voltage now. So it's still showing, but as you can see, definitely has the power to crank this motor over. So, and this should be like power level 1. Yeah. And this should be like power level 5. But you can see it runs out of voltage still, so it's yeah, even though it's an 8S, it still runs out of voltage. It doesn't quite have the max out power that it's looking for. So power jumps. So let's actually cut it back to like 3, 2, and it can hold sustained power at 2. I don't know how fast that is, but it can hold sustained power. So a couple different power settings, and I think now it should be set for 36 volts. So moving pretty good. It'd be interesting to take it out and see what it can do. So I might just strap it down and give it a shot, see how fast it goes. So I should be able to set it down now. I've strapped the batteries down. We're gonna give this a shot. I don't know what power level it's on because it doesn't say again, but yeah, so I'll put it at power level 2. Matter of fact, let's just knock it down to power level 1 right out the hole. I don't see any reason to kill myself. I have no idea what this thing's gonna do. Set it down now. You can see the power lights on. And I have no idea what kind of power this thing's gonna have. Rolls pretty good. Brake engages. But these are not, 20 big, large amp hour batteries, so they don't have much power. But if you just slowly kind of kick them in the butt, you give them a little help, they get going. Brake kicks on. Nice. Does it work? The answer to that is yes. Is it underpowered on these batteries? Yes, it's slightly underpowered on these batteries. Let's put it back at 1, see if it digs a little better at 1. So, step back on it again here. Brakes. Yeah, okay, so we need more power. But the point is, it works. It's taking the power, it's handling it, but it definitely wants more amps. It wants a lot more amperage, which these cannot supply. We just wanted higher voltage, so that's why I tied these little drone batteries in. I'm 230 pounds, and it is moving me. It's definitely moving me, so. But there's no real amperage behind this to push it how it needs to be pushed. So the ones I have coming are 20 amp hour. They should definitely, these are milliamp hour. So, I mean, we're just talking much smaller batteries. So, anyways, let's turn it off. So I think good first start. What do you guys think? Turn off the board, turn the power off here. So now we'll wait for the full-size battery I have coming. Took two 4S tied together to series to make an 8S battery at 33.6 volts, fully charged, to get it to move at all. So that's where we're at. Part 2, waiting on part 3.